What's up, everyone? It's Wealth and Eyes here, and let's be real. We all want financial freedom. You can start a successful service business with just $1,000. We're diving into the top 20 service businesses you can launch for less than a new iPhone. Whether you want to quit your 9 to 5 or start a side hustle, this video is for you. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started.
First up is freelance writing, a business with incredibly low startup costs. Think about it. Everyone from bloggers to big corporations needs compelling content, and that's where you come in. There are tons of niches and industries out there that need writers, from technical writing to social media copywriting. As you gain experience, you can start charging more, sometimes upwards of $50 to $100 per hour or even more depending on the project.
Next, we have becoming a virtual assistant, or VA for short. In a nutshell, you're basically a remote personal assistant, helping businesses and entrepreneurs with their day-to-day tasks. The startup costs are minimal, often just requiring a computer and a reliable internet connection. And the earning potential? Well, VAs can make anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour or more, depending on their experience and the services they offer.
Everyone's on social media, but not everyone knows how to use it to grow their business. That's where you come in as a social media manager. Create engaging content, run ads, and analyze data to help businesses succeed online. Use free business tools and online courses to learn the ropes. Social media managers can earn $20 to $75 per hour or more.
Chapter 4. Graphic Design. Turn creativity into cash. If you've got an eye for design, graphic design might be your calling. Businesses need talented designers for logos, branding, and websites. Start on freelance platforms or reach out to local businesses. Build your portfolio and client base to charge more for your services.
Chapter 5. Tutoring, share your knowledge, earn big bucks. Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru? Or maybe you can explain complex concepts easily. Tutoring might be the perfect business idea for you. Parents invest in their children's education, and tutoring is in high demand. You can tutor online, at home, or at a library. Tutors can make $20 to $50 per hour or more.
Chapter 6. Pet sitting, dog walking. Get paid to hang out with furry friends. Who doesn't love dogs? Turn your love for furry friends into a profitable business with pet sitting or dog walking. People are busier than ever and willing to pay top dollar to ensure their pets are well cared for. Advertise your services on community boards, social media, or pet sitting apps like Rover or Wag. Dog walkers can make $15 to $25 per walk, while pet sitters can charge $30 to $75 per day.
Chapter 7. House Cleaning. Clean homes, clean profits. Let's face it, nobody likes cleaning, but everyone appreciates a clean home. It's a service that's always in demand, and you can easily start this business with minimal investment. You can advertise your services through local flyers, online classifieds, or even by word of mouth. On average, house cleaners can make anywhere from $20 to $40 per hour or more, depending on their experience, location, and the size of the cleaning jobs.
Chapter 8. Lawn care. Mow your way to success. When it comes to curb appeal, a well-maintained lawn is key. That's where you come in as a lawn care professional. You can start small with just the basics, a lawnmower, weed whacker, and some gardening tools. Lawn care professionals can charge anywhere from $30 to $75 per hour or more, depending on the size of the lawn, the services offered, and your location.
Chapter 9. Handyman Services. Fix it and bank it. Are you a jack of all trades? Can you fix a leaky faucet, assemble furniture, or patch up drywall like a pro? If so, then offering handyman services could be your ticket to financial freedom. People are always willing to pay for convenience, especially when it comes to those annoying household repairs. As for earnings, handymen can charge anywhere from $40 to $100 per hour or more, depending on the complexity of the job and your experience level.
Chapter 10. Personal training, pump up your bank account. If you're passionate about fitness, becoming a personal trainer might be your calling. The demand for qualified personal trainers is on the rise. Start at a local gym or train clients at their homes or outdoors. As you gain experience, you can charge premium rates, often upwards of $50 per session.
Chapter 11. Event Planning. Celebrate success, one event at a time. From weddings and birthday parties to corporate events and conferences, there's always a reason to celebrate. And behind every successful event is a skilled event planner who makes sure everything runs smoothly. You can start by offering your services for smaller events like birthday parties or baby showers. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start taking on larger, more complex events, often charging a percentage of the overall event budget.
Chapter 12. Photography. Capture moments, capture profits. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in photography, it can be worth $1,000. You might be thinking, I only have a smartphone camera. And you know what? That's totally fine. Start with smaller gigs and upgrade your gear as your business grows. Earnings vary by niche, experience, and location.
For car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, a clean car is a happy car. As a car detailer, you provide top-notch cleaning and restoration services, making vehicles look brand new. Offer services at clients' homes or set up a mobile detailing unit. Charge $100 to $300 per vehicle, depending on size, services, and location.
In the competitive world of real estate, first impressions are everything. That's where you come in as a home stager, using your design skills and keen eye for detail to transform houses into irresistible showpieces that fly off the market. You can start by offering your services to real estate agents, homeowners, or even investors. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates, often a percentage of the home's selling price.
In our increasingly interconnected world, the need for accurate and reliable translation services is higher than ever. Businesses, organizations, and individuals rely on translators to bridge language barriers and facilitate communication across cultures. You can specialize in a particular language pair, industry, or type of translation, such as legal, medical, or technical translation. As you gain experience and build a client base, you can charge premium rates for your specialized services.
Let's be real, nobody likes dealing with finances, but it's an essential part of running a successful business. That's where you come in as a bookkeeper, helping businesses stay organized, manage their finances, and ensure they're compliant with tax regulations. As you gain experience and build a client base, you can charge premium rates, often on a monthly retainer basis, providing you with a steady stream of income.
In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is no longer optional, it's essential. And that's where you come in as a web developer, creating websites that are both visually appealing and functional, helping businesses connect with their target audience and achieve their online goals. You can start by offering your services to local businesses or individuals looking to establish their online presence. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start taking on more complex projects, charging premium rates for your expertise.
Let's face it, technology can be both a blessing and a curse. And when those inevitable tech glitches strike, businesses and individuals alike need reliable IT support to get them back up and running. You can start by offering your services to local businesses or individuals who need help with their computers or devices. As you gain experience and build a client base, you can expand your services, offering on-site support, network installation, or even cybersecurity consulting, charging premium rates for your specialized expertise.
They say the way to someone's heart is through their stomach. For busy professionals or families, a personal chef can be a lifesaver. Bring the restaurant experience home, creating meals tailored to dietary needs and preferences. Start with friends, family, or local businesses. Expand to meal prep, catering, or teaching cooking classes, charging premium rates.
In today's health-conscious world, people seek guidance to achieve their fitness goals. As a fitness coach, you provide motivation, accountability, and personalized training plans. Start at a local gym, community center, or online. Build experience, create specialized programs, offer nutritional guidance, and host group fitness classes, charging premium rates for your expertise.
So there you have it, guys. 20 incredible service businesses you can start for less than $1,000. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which business idea you found most interesting. The best time to start your dream business is now. Get out there and crush it.